الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great at your homes. So, this is me, Duazim from the Educators for Class, and our today's class video is for class 3 SST. As usual, we will start the class with the name of Allah. So, raise your hand for the dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Ameen. So I have an activity for you guys. Can you tell me some famous places of Peshawar? By the way, Peshawar is the capital city of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, which is one of the provinces of Pakistan. So can you tell me some famous places of Peshawar? Have you ever been to Peshawar? No? Okay. I will tell you some famous places of Peshawar. Number first is Chowk Yadgar. Chowk Yadgar is a famous place of Peshawar, which means Chowk Yadgar means Square of Remembrance, and it is dedicated to the heroes of the war between India and Pakistan. Second one is Mahabbat Khan Masjid. It's also a famous masjid of Peshawar. Number third is Peshawar Museum. Number fourth one is Babe Khyber. Babe Khyber means gate to the Khyber. So, as you all know about the Khyber Pass, so Babe Khyber is the gate to the Khyber, which connects Pakistan to Afghanistan. And the last one is Qissa Khwani Bazaar, which means market of storytellers. It is one of the oldest bazaar of Pakistan. Sorry, Peshawar. Can you guess the topic? And the last one is Qissa Khwani Bazaar. Qissa Khwani Bazaar means the market of storytellers. It is one of the oldest bazaars of the Peshawar. So, can you guess the topic? No? Okay. Today's topic is Peshawar. Today we will start at chapter number 2, Peshawar. So, take out your books for that. Okay, so this is your book, Word Watch for class 3. Open your books. Page number 8. Unit number 2, Peshawar. Today we will start our second unit, Peshawar. Unit number 1, first Islamabad has been completed. So today we will start unit number 2, Peshawar. Now, look at this map of Pakistan. Peshawar is located near the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Peshawar is the capital city of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So now start reading. Peshawar is the capital city of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. As I told you, it is one of the oldest living cities in the world. It is an important trade center between Afghanistan, Central Asia and the Middle East. Underline the word trade, write 1 on it and write the meaning of the word trade. A basic concept of buying and selling goods. So, a basic concept of buying and selling goods is trade. Peshawar is close to the Safedko mountain range of Pakistan. It is 48 kilometers 30 miles from the Khyber Pass. So, Peshawar is 48 kilometers from the Khyber Pass, the city. There are some very old buildings in Peshawar. Many of them have carved patterns on them. Underline the word carved, write 2 on it and write the meaning. Carved means to cut or engraved to produce an object. Carved patterns on them. The city once had a large wall around it with 16 gates. Today, Peshawar is known for its markets and bazaars. There are many tea shops in the bazaars where green tea called kahwa is served. Now come to page number 9. The bazaars sell all kinds of goods such as gold and silver jewelry, carpets, pottery, woolen clothing, carved furniture, as I told you before the meaning of the word carved, leather goods, dried fruits, brass, underline the word brass, write 3 on it and write the meaning. An alloy, brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Brass and copper utensils and much more. The Chowk Yadgar or Square of Remembrance is a famous landmark in the old part of the city dedicated to the heroes of the 1965 Indo-Pakistan War. As I told you in my activity that the Chowk Yadgar or the Square of Remembrance is dedicated to the heroes of the war between India and Pakistan. Now, the gate to the Khyber Pass, Bab-e Khyber. Another well-known place is the gate to the Khyber Pass. It was built in 1960. So the gate was built in 1960. Look at this picture. This is the gate to the Khyber Pass. The Khyber Pass is a long, winding and barren passage. Underline the word winding. Write 4 on it and write the meaning. Winding means a twisting movement. So winding and barren passage, underline the word barren, write 5 on it and write the meaning. Barren means ineffective. Passage that connects Pakistan to Afghanistan. So as I told you in my activity that Bab-e Khyber is a gate that connects Pakistan to Afghanistan. It is the oldest pass in the world through which armies and soldiers, kings and travelers have passed for thousands of years. Now, Warsag Dam is also a famous place, a famous landmark of Peshawar. 30 kilometers from Peshawar is the Warsag Dam. So, Warsag Dam is located 30 kilometers away from Peshawar. A dam is a thick wall built on a river or lake to hold the water back. What is a dam? A dam is a thick wall built on a river or lake to hold the water back. The Warsag Dam is on the river Kabul. Where is Warsag Dam situated? It is situated on the river Kabul. The water stored in the dam is used for farming and in homes. The dam is also used to generate electricity. So we also generate electricity with this dam, and the water stored in this dam is used for farming and for daily uses in homes. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to do these 4 questions in your copy. Question number 1, how far is Peshawar from Khyber Pass? So the Peshawar is 48 kilometers, 30 miles away from the Khyber Pass. Which pass is used to travel from Peshawar to Afghanistan? As I told you in my lecture that Khyber Pass is used to travel from Peshawar to Afghanistan. Name any 2 famous landmarks of Peshawar. You can name any 2. There are so many famous landmarks. Yadgar Chowk, Muhammad Khan Masjid, Qissa Khani Bazaar or Warsag Dam. You can write the name of any 2 famous landmarks. How is Warsag Dam useful? So Warsag Dam, the water stored in the Warsag Dam is used to generate electricity. It is also used for farming and in daily uses in homes and for daily uses in homes. So do these in your copy. Okay, so this is your homework. First of all, you will make the title page of chapter number 2 Peshawar, unit number 2 Peshawar. Then after the title page, you will do the activity that I told you in my lecture, that famous places of Peshawar. You will do that in your copy. Then question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 in your copy. So I hope you understood this class and I hope you got my lecture. We will meet in the next one. Till then, Allah Hafiz.